This video is about listing boosters. These are items that we can help you with, services we can provide to help you boost your listing. So there are a variety of things we can do. So these are kind of like weapons you have available if you need them. I'm going to go over those. So these are inside the order process on the page up here. So you go to order a photo shoot, put in your address, pick your the main service you want. And then when you come down just before finalizing your order, there's this listing booster category. And it's things like you can add on 2D floor plans, you can add on reels, video slideshows, property website, property flyers, twilight, grass edits, and you can do that for ground photos or for drone photos. In June, July, and August, you may want to do drone grass edits just to clean everything up and make it look consistent, because sometimes it gets pretty brown that time of year. We can do virtual sunsets, virtual staging, item removal, and we can do professional handwriting, create like a article for your property. I'll show you some examples of these. These are the virtual edits. So these are virtually staged rooms. These are virtually landscaped. This home was shot in November. The grass was brown. There wasn't really no landscaping. There were trees here, but of course, in November they weren't blooming. This is right after Thanksgiving, and they wanted the home to have like a spring look. So we did a virtual lawn replacement, virtual landscaping. On this home, we did virtual furniture. This is a lake home that was being remodeled, so it was halfway done, and then they sold the property. So there was just a concrete floor here, no finished game room. There was no furniture, and they wanted to show nice furniture looking over Timms Ford Lake. So we can do almost anything virtually. If you can imagine it, we can virtually create it. So we can do aerial edits. We can do virtual edits for your floor plans. We can do day to dusk, item removal. So just let us know. This is another example. If you would like an article for your property, we can create an article for your property and then mix that in with the existing photos. So if you're creating blogs on your website, we can help you do that. And we have hundreds of blogs on our website. And what that's doing, it's helping expose you to the internet. It's making it search engine optimized. Yes, people are not reading your blogs, but search is reading your blogs. So if you want people to be able to search you and find you, writing articles and writing blogs still has value, and we can help you with that. So that's a brief overview of our listing boosters. You'll see that in the order process. Then you just come down here, pick out your photographer, pick your time, complete your order, and you'll be ready to go. All right. Thank you.